Hello everyone. Temu struck me again. Yeah, I ran out of burner phones or I would have ordered more. These are those Baofeng radios. Yes, and the kitty wants to be a movie star today. So, yes, she's a good kitty. She's annoying half the time. So let's start with one package. Are you gonna help? Claw. She's just gonna lay on them. So, hey, this is the way they arrive. One of these I got for like $2 and something, but I had to do a $10 minimum order. So I needed some cables and everything else that were on my jungle store list. And so I ordered those. And they were actually cheaper on Temu. And this kitty cat, you just want to help, huh? Okay, you gotta let me in here. And you can help. So let's open the first one. So that is a 3-pack of 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cables. This is a short cable for the microphone. Yep, that is a plunger for the my flux. Wanted to try a metal one. Okay, and this is a Baofeng. UV-5R, black. Yeah. Looks like the other ones. So yeah, I'll link to my blog post, and I did this time I copied the link, and I shared it on Facebook. It's a USB charger this time too. So yeah, looks like the other ones. So yeah, if you're a new Temu subscriber, the link will work. I've had a couple of my friends do it. They should be receiving their stuff any day now too. So let's go to the next bag. Yeah, and now this one was, I think, you had to buy 5 things and you get 2 free, and the Baofeng was free. So let's just do this quickly. So I needed, let's see here. This is a lavalier microphone, wireless. Figured I would try something different. I've got the Rode currently. It works fine. And this cat is annoying. Here, you play with that. Okay, then I just gotta always the USB, little USB testers, current. They're always nice to have. And I didn't have one in USB-C, so I got one in USB-C. So this one, ooh, battery's already installed in this one. Well, that's odd.
Panel mode.
Hey, that one looks a little different. I wonder if this one's fake or new. Let's see. Yeah, different labels. Well, I wonder if this was used or...
Panel mode.
But it powers up. But this is what you get from Temu, man. I use burner phones. Yeah, looks like this one's all here. You got the strap, USB charger. USB charger looks pretty generic compared to the other one. Let's see. Yeah, this one says Baofeng. That one don't. So for one of them was free, one of them was $2. So like I said, I'll link in the description below to my blog, and that blog will have a link to my public shared Facebook post because I'm still being annoyed by the ads. So, but I ran out of burner phones because it seems like it ties itself to the EMIE of the phone now. So, and then I got me this little amplifier. So these seem to have pretty good reviews. I'm not sure the wattage or whatever it is, but I will give it a try one day. So that was my Temu order. Total of about $25 all in for the 2 radios and all that. Because one order was like, I had $15, $17, and the other order was about 15 bucks, so about 30 bucks. I don't know, I'd have to go look at my receipts. But have a good day.